greed, our material lust, and many other worldly desires. COVID has taught us a very strong lesson in life. Even if you have material things, even if you have beautiful family, COVID taught us pare-parehas lang naman. Ma-bishop ka, ma-governor ka, ma-driver ka sa tricycle, ma-maestra ka, ma-sundalo ka, you're all the same in the eyes of the Lord, in the circumstantial reality. So happy kalibungan, palagaw nato ng atong probinsya, magkinahuday kita bilang tao, tri-people, e walang lain kita ng probinsya, and be proud na kutabatenyo kitang tanan. Salamat po.